Our next topic is histogram. It is a very important topic. Before that, we learn about bar graphs, pictographs, double bar graphs. Now we learn about histogram. It is a type of bar graph. It is plotted for the grouped frequency type of data or data which has continuous class intervals. For example, I will write 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Here the difference between upper limit of first class and the lower limit of second class is 0, then this is the continuous class interval. So when we plot a graph for data which has continuous class interval, such type of graph is said to be histogram. Before plotting a histogram, we have to understand some instructions like class interval represents on horizontal line. Suppose this is my vertical line, this is my horizontal line, then class interval is always represent in this horizontal line. Same as frequency represents on a vertical line. It means frequency represents in this vertical line. Height of the bars represent frequency. Suppose we plot a graph, histogram like that, then these bars represent height of frequency. Height represents frequency. The next, no gap between bars. We can see here there are no gap between two consecutive bars because there are no gap between two consecutive class intervals. For example, look at here 0 to 10 and 10 to 20. There are no gap between them. So that's why our bars have also no gap. Each bar of the equal width. The next, in some histogram we use jagged or broken line in a horizontal axis. It means we make here some jagged line. This symbol is said to be jagged line or broken line, which says that our class interval is not started from 0. Here our class interval is started from 0 to 10, then we are not using jagged line. But if our class interval is like that, started from 700 to 710, 710 to 720, then when we plot a graph, then we use these type of jagged line. Now with the help of example, we learn how we construct a histogram. So first I clean it. I already taken an example to make a histogram. Here class interval and frequency are given. First we have to draw a vertical line and one horizontal line. Same as the bar graph, we have to choose a scale for the frequency. I see my frequency ranges 2 to 10, so I choose one division is equal to 1 unit. It is my scale. Now this is my vertical line, so we represent here frequency, and this is the horizontal line, so we represent here our class interval. Now the point at which both the lines meet is considered as 0. We choose one division is equal to 2 unit. Then we divide all the vertical line with a 2 unit. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Same as we see that our class interval started from 0 to 10. It means we don't need to here make a jagged line. We directly divided it into equal part, like 0 to 10, next is 20, next 30, next 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now we see that for class interval 0 to 10, our frequency is 2. Then we start our bar from 0 to frequency 2. So here we make our first bar. Next class interval 10 to 20, and for this our frequency is 10. So bar is extended from here. We start our bar from like This is bar represent class interval 10 to 20. The next class interval is 20 to 30. And for class interval 20 to 30, frequency is 8. So here 8 represent here. So we make bar like that. Next is 30 to 40. 30 to 40, frequency is 6. It means we have to use here. And for the 40 to 50, frequency is 9. It means it lies between somewhere else. So first we have to extend it. And now make bar. Then these bar graph representation is said to be histogram. To make your bars of the equal width, you use graph paper, and all the graphs make on your graph paper for your convenience.